Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Minecraft texture packs for Minecraft 1.16.2, the most recent version of Minecraft. And yeah, so not many texture packs have been updated to this, but there are still a lot out there. So you're just going to come to any Minecraft texture pack downloading website. So I'm just on CurseForge, and you can choose the dimensions of your textures, so 16 by 16 and all the way up to 512 by 512 and higher. Of course, you will get lower FPS the higher you go. So I'm just going to go and select one of these, and I filtered for 1.16.2 so they're completely compatible, and I'm going to download the bare bones texture pack right here. You're going to want to click download, and in a few seconds CurseForge has a little timer and it will be automatically begin downloading. And right there, it's downloaded. Now you're going to go into your Minecraft, and you're going to go to options, resource packs, and open pack folder. Inside of your pack folder, you're just going to want to drag in this from Chrome, and we're actually just going to go like that. You can see Barebones is put in there, and if I go back to Minecraft, Barebones appears right here at the very top. So I apply that, click done, and in a few seconds I should be able to go into a world, and I will be able to show you that the Barebones pack is on. So let's just go into 1.16.2 world, and you can already see some of the differences that were there. However, we'll be able to see it very well once we load up into this world. Right, so we're now loaded into the world, and as you can see, this is, as described, a bare bones version of Minecraft. However, I kind of like the look of it, but there's tons of other texture packs if you want them. This was just an example for one of them. And yeah, you can clearly see it's worked. Now, if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.